Hello everyone, I'm Shing and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a dress based on a painting that I did many years ago. And here is the dress. Where should I hold it? It's a black tulle dress with a red collar. And there's also a cat inside the dress, but we're gonna skip that part. So it has a little bit of black goth vibe. It is a sleeveless dress and I seldom wear sleeveless because I basically have chicken wings for arms. To be brief, I will show you how it looks like. Let's roll up the sleeves. I have a beautiful muscle line, but there's also the loose skin at the bottom. Yeah, this is my chicken wings. Let's move on to the breakdown of the dress. I started sketching how I would like the dress to be. This is the finalized design. I've decided it to be a little bit like a wrap dress. I need to pattern the bodice, skirt and the collar to figure out the mechanics of how to wear the dress. Is it a zipper or a strap? And lastly, to keep the lining clean. I use a pink fabric for the collar, thin black fabric to serve as the base, and of course the black tulle. I start off by using a basic bodice, then shorten it and extend the sides to create a wrap dress. I tested it out on a scrap fabric. The armhole was extending too much, so I need to reduce it and also to reduce the shoulder line. For the skirt, it will be a basic A-line skirt, extending from the end of the bodice. I prep all the pieces and then I trace the darts with a tracing paper and a wheelie tool. I sew the darts and combine the top, making some ribbon straps. For the bodice, I will leave a hole for the strap to pass through. Looking out my window, I saw this majestic creature passing by. Where are you off to, mister? To the land of flowers? I'm going to make the collar now. I'm so fast, it takes me 10 seconds to retread. I sewed the collar and decided to scrap it. It doesn't have to follow the main design, but it has to be something that I like. Have you met Queen? She's now wearing the main part of the dress. We need to add tulle on it. I'm thinking to just gather it first and then we'll try to lay it out on top just to have a rough idea how much tulle to use. It needs to wrap around the arm so that it will fall nicely. And then I cut out the armhole. Did the same thing for the back and sew it in. Going to attach the front and the back. I usually get tired halfway in a project. We have to brave through this. Just keep sewing. It's 9 PM and it's not done yet. And this happened. It looks fine in the front, and on the back it's all messed up. Finally, I cut the tulle according to my height, slightly above the ankle. I'm so happy with this dress. It felt like me. Can't wait to make more dresses. Before we go, let me highlight the design. Because I have holes at the side of the dress, so when you wear it, you just need to insert the strap through the hole and tie a ribbon. By this way, I'm allowing you to wear it on either side. I'm not sure how useful it is, but both the ribbon will be featured. Also, I learned how to make proper lining. I missed out on the front strap. Other than that, it's pretty clean. That's all for this video, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye!